Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to extract audio from any video on iPhone. For that you can simply use your shortcut apps, then go on this go and tap on that plus sign and then head straight to tap and then head straight to add action and search for extract audio or use encode media if encode media, or tap the arrow next to. If using encode media, tap the arrow next to it and toggle audio only to on and search for the save file and add it as the next step. To use open any video in your Photos app and tap share icon and select your new shortcut. It will ask where to save the audio file. What you can also do is go and play that particular video in your mobile phone and start screen recording like that. And after screen recording you can use your shortcut, and after that use your shortcut app to turn that screen recording into audio file. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.